Imagine a martial art that hits like a truck but flows like water. That's Goju Ryu Karate. Straight from Okinawa, this style mixes bone-shattering strikes with silky smooth deflections, making it a powerhouse for fighters and philosophers alike. Today, we're breaking down Goju Ryu's epic history, its hard soft magic, and how you can start training. Smash that like button, and let's dive into this legendary art. Goju Ryu was born in the rugged streets of Okinawa, where survival meant mastering self-defense. In the 1800s, Kanryo Higaonna ventured to China, training in Fujian White Crane Kung Fu and its fluid circular moves. He returned and blended these with Okinawa's gritty fighting style, laying Goju Ryu's foundation. His student, Chojun Miyagi, shaped it into a formal system by the 1920s, naming it Goju for its hard, soft balance. Recognized in Japan by 1933, Goju Ryu went global, carrying Okinawa's warrior spirit worldwide. Goju Ryu's name, Go, hard, and Ju, soft, is its soul. Hard techniques like devastating punches are all about raw power. Soft techniques like flowing blocks redirect an opponent's force with finesse. This duality makes Goju Ryu a Swiss Army knife for combat. The key? Ibuki breathing. It's a deep, rhythmic technique that syncs your body and mind, boosting power while keeping you cool as a cucumber. It's not just karate, it's a way to master yourself. Goju Ryu training is intense but transformative. You'll drill Sanchin dachi, a rock-solid stance that grounds you like a mountain, teaching you to stand firm and centered. This stance is the foundation of your strength and balance, helping you root your power into the ground. Hard strikes, such as straight punches, are not just about raw force. They build knockout power and teach you precision, turning every strike into an effective weapon. On the flip side, soft circular blocks will refine your ability to flow around attacks, redirecting energy with grace and efficiency. The beauty of Goju Ryu lies in this balance. Kata, like the legendary Sanchin, are your roadmap, blending technique, breathing, and focus into a seamless unit. These forms are more than just practice. They are the vehicle through which you develop mental clarity, discipline, and body control. With 12 core katas, each offering its own unique challenge, you'll evolve from a rookie to a skilled warrior, mastering not only movement, but also the deep internal energy known as chi. Sparring takes everything you've learned and applies it in real-world scenarios. It hones your close-range skills, grappling, trapping, and infighting, allowing you to become quick on your feet, effective in tight spaces, and ready for any challenge that comes your way. The training is relentless, but each session brings you one step closer to embodying the true spirit of Goju Ryu. In 2025, Goju Ryu is a global force. It's not just for self-defense, it's a fitness game-changer and a competitive arena. Its close-range techniques shine in real-world situations, while training sculpts your body and sharpens your mind. Modern dojos mix tradition with new vibes like fitness classes, but the core, balance, power, focus, never wavers. The mental clarity and discipline you develop on the mat carry over into every part of your life, making you more resilient both in and out of the dojo. Whether you're a kid or a seasoned fighter, Goju Ryu's timeless appeal keeps it kicking. It's a path to self-improvement that transcends age or experience, offering something for everyone who wants to grow stronger, both physically and mentally. Goju Ryu is a total package. Physically, it builds strength, flexibility, and stamina. Mentally, it's a stress killer, sharpening focus and discipline. Emotionally, it boosts confidence and grit, spilling into your daily life. The self-defense skills? Unmatched for close-quarters combat. You'll be equipped to defend yourself in tight spaces, using efficiency and strategy over sheer power. Plus, you'll tap into Okinawa's rich martial arts heritage, connecting with centuries of warrior wisdom. It's not just a workout, it's a way to build resilience, conquer challenges, and live with purpose. Train Goju Ryu, and you're not just fighting, you're thriving. Ready to train? Find a legit dojo with instructors who live and breathe Goju Ryu. Start with basics, stances, punches, and simple katas. You'll need a GI, a mouth guard, and comfy gear. Most dojos can hook you up affordably. Progress to advanced katas, and sparring as you grow. Patience is key. Mastery takes time, but every step builds you up. Take your time learning and remember, each session makes you more connected to the art. Consistent practice is your best friend on this journey. Drop a comment below. Where are you training or what's holding you back? Join the Goju Ryu community and let's grow stronger together. What makes Goju Ryu stand out? Unlike Shotokan's long-range power or Wado Ryu's evasive shifts, Goju Ryu thrives in close-range chaos, blending hard strikes with soft deflections. It's more versatile than Shito Ryu's speed-focused approach, offering a balanced toolkit for self-defense. Goju Ryu's focus on internal energy, combined with its emphasis on both hard and soft techniques, makes it an art that adapts to any fight. Want power? Go Shotokan. Want adaptability? Goju Ryu's your pick. Choose based on your vibe, but Goju Ryu's hard-soft mix is tough to beat. Its comprehensive approach to combat ensures you're ready for any situation, both in the dojo and beyond. Goju Ryu Karate is a masterpiece of strength and flow, rooted in Okinawa's warrior spirit. Its history, techniques, and benefits make it a must-try for any martial artist. Whether you're looking to improve your fitness, learn self-defense, or connect with an ancient tradition, Goju Ryu offers a path to growth. Loved this deep dive? Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more martial arts goodness. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite Goju Ryu move, or what style should we cover next? Keep training, and let's keep the dojo vibes strong. Together, we can continue to share the power and wisdom of Goju Ryu with the world.